Alright, I'm going to show you today how to get your grades from Canvas to Tyler SIS. This shouldn't take you very long, but there are a few setup things that we need to do ahead of time here. So this is Mrs. Reilly's account. My account has already been used, and so I wanted to use a fresh account so I can show you the whole process here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up one of her classes, and you'll need to do this for all of your classes. If you've cross-linked your classes, you'll have less work to do, but if you have more classes, you'll have more work. So I'm going to go ahead and open up one of her classes. And you can see here are her modules here. And what we want to do is we actually want to go into assignments. So we click on assignments and we want to make sure that we are using weighting. Most teachers are using weighting, but if you're not using weighting, you'll have to turn that on. To turn that on, you're going to go up to the gear. You'll click on the gear and you'll see the button that says assignment group weight. Now Mrs. Reilly uses assignment weighting, but if you don't, you can always click on that. You go ahead and click on the check mark. It would actually put a couple boxes in here, and you want to make sure that these add up to 100%, or if you just have one category, you just put in 100% there. Here's what I need to do is I need to actually add another category here. So I'm going to go up here and click Add Group. And what I'm going to call this is I'm going to go call this Grades to SIS. And I'm going to go ahead, and it says right here, total percent of the grade, 0%. We don't want this to be part of their grade whatsoever. So I go ahead and click on Save. And now if I scroll down to the bottom, if you notice it says Grades to SIS, and there's no assignment in here. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to create one assignment. Again, if you're using modules or used to using modules, you can create assignments right within modules by clicking the plus. And I'm going to go ahead, it's going to be an assignment. This is going to be a 9-week grade. And you have to put a due date. If you don't put a due date, this is not going to work. We're going to be submitting our grades on the 20th of October. And finally, I want to make this out of 100 points. And what we're going to be doing is we're actually going to be putting the final percent that we see from the kids in this grade here. I'm also going to go ahead, you can click on more options here. And you can see the full list here. We also want to choose the sync to SIS. And there's another way to do this if you don't do it this way. But I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And then I click Save and Publish. And there we go. I'm going to go ahead and click back to the assignments to get back here. And again, you don't have to do the more there. But if you notice, it's right here. If you notice, there's this little green button right here. This is our Sync to Tyler SIS button here, and it needs to be green. All of your other assignments don't need to be green. They can just be black, just like they are here. I'm going to go ahead and go into grades now. And what's really cool is that I'll slide this thing all the way over here, and we'll see this 9-week grade here. Now, we need to look all the way over here to our total. If you notice, she's using weighting, so we don't want to put these percentages in. You want to put in this final percentage. So what I'm going to do is, just on my 10 key here, I'm going to go ahead and put those in. And you can put in the decimal if you want. I'm just going to round as I go. So 97, 85, 92, 101. Actually, that should be 102. 87, 96, 85, 89, 72, 100, and 1. 97, 71, and you kind of get the idea there. So I'm going to pause this. Alright, I am back and I've gone through and put in the grade for every single student in here. Now this is a cross-link class, so she has roughly, 90 kids? Not that many, probably 70 kids in this class. And so I went through and put all those in. Once you've done that, you are done doing what you need to do in Canvas. Now what we're going to do is we're going to head over to Tyler SIS. And I'm going to go ahead and sign in as deb.riehle, and password is ... And you want to make sure you go into the classic login. A lot of people are used to clicking the 360 login. You can go ahead and click on the classic login this time here. And now what we need to do is we have all of your classes right here. And I need to associate each of these classes with Canvas. So we're going to actually start with, so this Math 6, these are the math classes that I just did. I'm going to go here and click on this little red dot here, or red book, or whatever that thing is. I click on the red book and I have these kids in here. If you notice, there's a brand new icon. This is our Canvas icon that's located right up here. I'm going to click on that Canvas icon, and it's going to actually ask me to link the accounts. You don't need to worry about the email, but you do have to just authorize it. You'll only have to do that once per course, and now I'm ready to go. Now what I want to do is I want to find, where is this class located? So this is the 6th grade math class, and this is this class right here. I go ahead and click on the select button. And the next step is you'll see this 9-week grade here. All I have to do is click on that, and then I click import. And it's importing that grade in there. And then I'm gonna, and if you, you'll see this little thing that says it's been updated. I say OK. And there you go. You can see, and some of these kids I didn't put real grades in, and these are not real grades anyways. But you can actually see that all these percentages are in here now. With that, I'm going to go ahead and hit done here, and I'll have to hit done again. And then what I want to do is go to my next class. Now, if you've cross-linked your courses, again, all you have to do is just click on the this course here, of the red book. Again, this is a separate class. It is cross-linked together with the same class here, so I go ahead and select that one, and I do the same process where I say import. I click check. I import it, and then those grades will be in there. And that is all you have to do to bring all of your grades from Canvas into Tyler SIS. Good luck and enjoy your time.